Hello. This is Online Q's, YouTube channel for online queries. In this video I will show you how to live stream on Kick using StreamLabs. First of all, go to kick.com and then sign in. Click on the picture at the top right and click Settings. Click on Stream Key under Settings. Here you can see your stream URL and your stream key. Now launch StreamLabs software on your computer. Click on Settings on the bottom left corner. Select Stream. From the drop-down menu, select Custom Streaming Server. Now you can copy and paste the URL and stream key that you get from Kick. Once you paste both URL and stream key, hit Done. Finally click Go Live button. This is how you can stream on Kick using StreamLabs. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.